To remove your face data of the face unlock on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometrics. Tap face recognition. Next, enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern, then draw the pattern. Tap remove face data. A pop-up appears to inform you that doing this will make all features that use face recognition to be turned off. Tap remove to continue removing your face data. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.